Good morning, Philippines!
Hello! Good morning! Happy Sunday! May sakit pa rin tayo. Pero, nakapag-lipstick, nakapag-foundation, nakapag-eyebrow. Dahil kasi, papunta si Tami dito. And meron akong nabasang ano ba? Sabi po nilo, you have to look good for your spouse. So, kailangan tayong mag-look good kahit naka-pajama tayo, naka-jacket kasi maginaw. Kahapon, sobrang ganda ng panahon. As in, sobrang ganda, 64. At ngayon, yung temperature, I think it's nasa 30 tayo ngayon. So, maginaw sa labas. Ano bang gawin ko? Ang gagawin ko, ang dami kong gawin. Maglilinis, mag-anik-anik. Mga basura, ilagay natin sa garbage can. Kasi yung garbage can ko, lumilipad-lipad. Kasi kahapon, last week, sobrang 3 days ago, sobrang malakas yung hangin. So, hindi ko ginalaw yung garbage can namin sa labas, yung malaking garbage pail namin. Kasi lalagpot din yun pagkatapos kasi parang 3 days ata yung sobrang lakas ng hangin. Nandun sa lahat yung basura sa garage. So, itapon natin. At saka, nagsasalita ako dito. At saka yung dalawa, iwan ko mahilig talaga silang makinig kung magsasalita na si Mama. As in, because you know, I don't know, Dada will be here later. Hi, Rox! Hello. Yan, ganyan sila. Magkikinig lang. Laklak. You're so cute. You're so cute. Oh my God, kita na to you. Anyway, so pupunta si Tami dito. Dada will be here later on. He'll gonna gigigigig. Dada will be. Anyway guys, I will see you later. Linis lang ako and I will see you. Okay, let's go. Let's put this garbage out. Daming basura guys. Dito guys. Paglinis pa hala. Akala ko itong I think dito ko lang kayo igalay. Igalay ko kayo dyan, ha? Magano tayong basura, maglabay. Puno na yung isang garbage can kasi ang dami kong yung mga old boxes sa mga sapatos ko noong talagang unang-una pagdating ko dito, lahat ng mga boxes ng shoes ko kinikip ko and nilagay ko doon yung mga shoes. So last year, nagdesisyon akong ilabas silang lahat para makita ako ganon. Meron pang ibang boxes sa taas pero mostly, yung mga talagang ginagamit ko, like boots, pag winter, pag summer, winter, ganon, inano ko sila, tinapon. Ang ginaw sa labas. Kahapon, grabe, diba? Grabe kahapon, hindi niya ako naintindihan. Yes, this dog can understand me, baby. Biro. Kain tayo. Yung ulam ko pala is century tuna, yung calamansi. Yun yung ulam natin. Yun, kain lang tayo. Nagutom ako, 12 o'clock na lunchtime. Kapag nagutom ako, ang naano ko is yung, ay kawawa naman yung mga aso, no? Hindi sila yung pusa, aso, kahit anong hayop. Hindi sila makaano talaga ng pagkain nila kung hindi mo sila bigyan. So, kung hindi mo sila bigyan, starving yan. Itong ilong ko is grabe. Grabe talaga yung ilong ko. Hindi ko pulang-pula na yun. Nagtiti na naman ako. Si Tami is, malapit na siya dito pero nagdesisyon siyang pumunta sa Walgreens para bilhan ako ng cough drop. Kasi yun yung gusto ko para sa lalamunan ko. And also, para hindi na ako magluto daw ng dinner, na pupunta daw siya sa Kentucky Fried Chicken. So, yun ang dinner namin. Buti na lang, itong mata ko, the other day, this one, my eyes was hurting so bad. And yung ulo ko din, masakit siya. Pero buti na lang today, kasi nag-glasses ako guys, na-notice ko, kapag naka-cellphone or naka-edit, yung mata ko is sakit. Sinusuot ko siya 2 days na. Yesterday and today, sinuot ko siya. Sabi ko, suotin ko nga itong glasses kasi para talaga ito sa galing ito Firmo, binigay nila ito sa akin. Para ito sa mga pag-i-edit, yung parang may protection sa mata. Kailangan ko ng mag-glasses, baka kailangan ko ng ng mata, pa-check up sa mata, baka nasira na ito sa computer, sa kakalaro. Yun. So, ko, baka yun, baka to, malala na. So, iwan ko na talaga guys, pag mawalan yung mata, kung wala na yung sight natin, nakakasad, hindi natin na-realize na importante talaga natin yung sight. Ito lang yung window natin para makita yung mundo. At saka mga taong mahal natin sa buhay. Ito lang talaga, mata yung window natin. So, kapag may mga naramdaman ka talaga sa mata, para ma-realize mo, importante yung mata ko, kailangan kong alagaan. And ako naman, ang hirap, ang tigas ng ulo ko, at saka, yun, ang tigas ng ulo ko, hindi ko siya pinapansin, parang wala lang, pero kahapon talaga, parang pag ganun ko, blur talaga, ginaganon ko mata ko. Ganun. Wala talaga, blur talaga, sabi ko, iba na to. My husband is here. And he doesn't have any lunch and I want him to eat. Eat now. That we can eat dinner later. And I'm gonna make Spanish bread. He got this. I think you have to bring this back. 1 bread. I will use 1 for tonight. Huh? Garlic bread, guys. And here's the phone of grandma, mother-in-law. Yeah. We have to delete everything here.
I think Angelo already did that.
What Angelo did? He delete like what?
He deleted everything.
Like what? Everything what? Do you know?
You guys are all there.
Roxy, you start already. Every time Dada's here, you start whining. Huh? Hon, I thought you're going to eat.
No, when you chase him.
No, but you need to eat. My God,
All that noise you're gonna make? Because now somebody's here who'll let you outside.
It was nice yesterday and the other day. And
Yeah, of course it's not nice.
64 degree
No,
yesterday.
very cool.
I just feed him yesterday.
Yeah, you did. That's right. Who are you kidding? You're looking. Alright, I'll get him very food.
Bigyan daw niya ng pagkain. Ito na naman tayo sa mga sinasaad natin na hindi natutupad yung saad. Okay, let's have some cough drop. Kasi binila tayo. Ano tayo? Ang ganda nito ay yung pag may ka. Itong kindi. Kapag may ubo o maano yung lalamunan mo. You know what? Maglagay tayo dito. Ilagay natin ito lalaro ng dala. Ilagay natin ito dito. Ayan, pinakain na niya yung mga ibon. Yan naman yan siya eh. Tingnan niyo yung dalawa. Tommy meet Inday Garutay. Inday Garutay. Roxy, listen to Dada. Misty, Roxy. I can't find the instruction, guys. Hinahanap ko yung instruction kasi hinahanap ni Tommy. And hindi ko makita. Walang instruction. I know it's somewhere. It was in the kitchen. Aha, Inday Garutay and Tommy. The name of that toy is Inday Garutay, okay? Can you just please don't call her anything? He is Inday Garutay. She is. Kinokonek niya sa ano guys, Wi-Fi. I tried connecting it, but it doesn't work. Look, everybody's hiding, Han. The two dogs. Don't even come to me. Guys, he is hurtful. You know what? Go back to New Rochelle, Tommy. He just told me, guys, that he understand Inday Garutay better than he understand me. Because Inday Garuta is talking to him. I said, you understand her? And she said, what did you say?
I understand her better than you sometimes.
I just blog it even though I'm not happy.
Okay.
Yay. Come here today.
Still updating.
You're not gonna ask forgiveness?
No, what?
Ask for forgiveness.
No, you make up words and then I'm supposed to understand what. Well, you're not my husband. You're supposed to understand what I'm saying.
Of course, Tommy. We lived together for like freaking 12 years.
You don't think I'm supposed to understand what she's saying?
12 years, can you imagine? I like the other one hand.
Which one?
This one hand is the best. It's mixed. It's the best, right? That
No. This is for the dip. We need a dip with these.
Kumakain na naman yung junk. How do you know? It is done. You should put this close together to the Inday Garutay.
Don't have to be close together.
Can you just say it for my vlog? Inday Garutay is a big help.
And they carotid. Carotid.
Inday.
And they carotid.
No, Inday Garutay.
Garotai. Oto. And I garotai.
It's a big help, Han. He really helps me a
How do
lot.
I know it's a big help? I haven't even seen it work yet.
Hala. Look at yours.
It's
Daughter. Ah, okay. Updated.
Next.
What's next? Why it doesn't update to mine? Why it doesn't do anything? Connect to Wi-Fi, nothing.
Just you know how to do it.
How are you gonna do that? Hala, it's running. Did you press something? Ah, you can pause also. Look. We have to get rid of the toys. Look, Tommy want to see how Inday Garutay works. Sabi pa ni Tommy, maano daw si Inday Garutay? Malaki. Yes, that's good, Han. Because if Inday Garutay is not heavy, it's useless. Look what happened over there. Look at that. You give Roxy. The worst one is in the other couch. Look. You cannot kick it hard, Han. It's very sensitive. It's just a freaking woman. Pagkagahig ulog yun ni mo ba? You hard head.
Don't eat my finger.
Because it should eat your freaking finger. You give to Misty? Inood ko lang itong light dito para naman makapagtrabaho si Inday. But anyway, nagka-problema si Tommy sa iyang nakalimutan niya yung password. Inood na naman niya at saka hanapin yung look, gutom na yung dalawang pusa, guys. Anyway, guys, so ngayon andito siya. Nagpahinga na siya. Nakahiga na naman. Ganyan yan siya dito, guys. Kapag andito siya, higa lang yan. Higa. Dapat lang naman talagang nakahiga. Nood kami ng taxi kasi paborito ko yung taxi. Kahit yung ilong ko is umiyak na yung ilong ko, guys. Grabe yung ilong ko ka. Ganon-ganon yung ilong ko. Parang ang daming natatagak. Hindi ko alam bakit yung sipon, excuse me ha, bakit yung sipon is matatagak. Saan siya galing? Yun yung question ko, guys. Saan galing yung sipon? Han, I have a question. I told you.
Yeah, we're not supposed to do that.
Yeah, I never experienced that before. Tell the one that when I called you because I experienced it for the first freaking time.
Oh, what do you do when I'm not here?
Tommy?
I don't know what you do when I'm not here.
Seriously?
Crazy crappiness.
Did you just call me crappiness?
Crazy crappiness. Bite your mama's ankle, please.
Do you wanna be alone?
Bite your mama's ankle, too. Each one you take one ankle.
Do you wanna be alone?
Hon, knock it off.
Listen, Han, can you tell Roxy?
I told her about your ankle. I can't have her if she don't listen. She
Yes,
thought I said ear.
What last time? Inday garotay.
And I got to tell you last time.
Oh my god, you're so cute, you know? Tomorrow, haircut, okay? Haircut, you need it badly. Badly.
Come on, Brian. Helen's busy.
Sabi pa ni Tami, kailangan ko nang uminom.
Short for the rich and famous. Business is picking up.
Ito yung uminom ka, Theraflu.
It's a legal event.
Inumin natin to.
What are you still doing there?
Nanonood si Tami ng Wings. Taxi sana yung panoorin, pero Wings yung inopen. Mga old shoes yun, guys. Ito yung gamitin ko. Usually, ito yung gamitin mo para inumin. Para inom ka. Kasi parang ang dami naman.
Are we okay?
Parang bata ba?
Okay. That was fun.
Naalala ko, guys, parang bata. Yung bata noon, ganituhin tayo ba? Inom, inom, kahit ayaw mo.
You're not serious. I'm very serious, Joe. Apparently, Pop was loaded. What makes you think that? The little sign on the
So
straw
strong.
that says empty. Like, time to label it?
Ayaw ko talagang mga ganito. Pasensya na, guys, maingay. Mag-ano lang ako, gagawa tayo ng garlic bread. Meron akong parsley dito. Frozen ito siya, pero pinipros ko. Tulog si Tami, natutulog kasi pagod. Kasi, you know, trabaho, whole day, whole night. Pag di off talaga, nakanganga. Ngayon, ganyan yun siya. Ito yung gusto ni Tami, guys. Na yung cheese is buhunit-hunit. Okay. There you go. Garlic bread you want. Hot and cheesy. Hunit-hunit. Hunit-hunit. This is more cheesy here.
Same thing.
Same thing? Okay, this is what he like. Oh, it's so good. And this is our dinner. KFC, KSP. Kulang sa pansin chicken. This is spicy, right? That's spicy chicken and this is regular. The thing about KSP, guys, they don't sell spicy chicken regular. They sell spicy, but it's a different kind of seasoning. Different seasoning. And they don't give you, oh, you have to buy their gravy. Not like Jollibee. Jollibee you buy too, right? I thought they give it to you for free if you get chicken.
Can't see potatoes.
Huh? Potatoes. Because it's for potato, it's not for chicken. Kain tayo. Kain lang kami, guys. Where's the gun? Kain. Ayaw nila. I love you. I love you so much. I know I do love you. I 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 love you, Mitch. Anyway, guys, we're going to end this vlog. Si Tami nandun sa labas. We're going to end this vlog. Bye, guys.
Guys.
See you guys tomorrow. Sorry, guys, na wala ako masyadong vlog today. Not really, not much. You know, kasi hindi maganda yung pakiramdam namin. Yung isa din, hindi. Lahat ng katawan niya masakit. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Ayaw yung pumunta sa ayaw. Matigas ulo, matigas. Anyway, guys, see you tomorrow. Bye, good night. Nagbabalik ako dahil 10 o'clock na ng gabi. Hindi pa rin pinatay. And kailangan ng pumunta sa bed. I need to drink more water kasi dito gumagrabe na. Nakakatawa ito, guys. Itong show na to, nakakatawa talaga siya. Taxi.
jumped 12 feet.
Anyway guys, yeah.